Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and this is a quick updated video on how to install your rear door crossover mount in your 2022 and up Toyota Tundra. We have two different versions of our rear door crossover mount. In this video, we are going to cover this one right here. However, we are also going to link you to the complete installation video for this system that covers this crossover mount right here. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and remove the cover on my crossover. It just pops right off. And then I'm going to take the two bolts and nuts in my kit and I'm going to grab my mount. Then I'm going to line up the holes with my crossover mount to the ones on my crossover. Then I take one bolt and I'm going to slide it through the bottom and then take my nut, place it on top. And then while I hold it on the other side with my finger, I'm going to tighten it with a Phillips. Go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side and then you're ready to install. Then I'm going to come over here to my door handle bracket and I'm going to remove that. And then I'm going to go ahead and mount it back on the door. Notice on my passenger side and driver side rear door, the crossover mount L is pointing towards the outside of my door.